Hello and welcome to InvestorToday.ca. I'm your host, Dave Glover. InvestorToday.ca is brought to you in conjunction with RBL Communications, your online IR professionals. We're coming to you live from the 2013 PDAC, and we are standing here with the president and CEO of Taku Gold Corp, Zach Dingsdale. Zach, welcome to InvestorToday.ca.
Thanks, Dave.
Well, you're up in the White Gold District, so why don't we start now by talking about the White Gold District. A couple of years ago, that was the place to be. And of course, it seems to have cooled off to some degree. But let's talk about 2013 and maybe what's going on now.
Well, I think investor sentiment overall might have cooled off a little bit in the junior markets and the Yukon in particular as well. However, I think this year for 2013, the White Gold District is probably going to see more drilling this year than it ever has in the past. We've got Kaminak, we've got, that'll be drilling, they're starting drilling already. There'll be Kinross, of course, Comstock, ourselves, and others in the district that should create a lot of excitement for 2013 in the region.
Well, and that's what we want to see. Obviously, the Yukon very excited about the economic windfall of the White Gold District. So obviously, the people of the Yukon are looking to make sure that there's a continuation of that.
Absolutely, it employs a lot of people. The district does locally, and a lot of people within Canada as well, working on those exploration programs.
Right.
Kaminak itself, they're probably going to be conducting, I'm not sure exactly how much, but up to 50,000 meters of drilling. And then north of them, Comstock came up with a spectacular discovery last year, 82 meters of, I think, 2.5 grams. And last year at the end of the work season, Taku made a spectacular gold in soil anomaly discovery on our Rose Butte property, which is a Sean Ryan property option.
Right. Now I understand you also staked right down to the Yukon River on that same Rose Butte property.
Well, yeah, early in the season, when we started to get hits on that Rose Butte property in the form of gold in soil from our soil sampling program. We've done a lot of work in the area. We've done 45,000 soil samples in the White Gold District, and in particular on this what's called our Hud Bay zone. It turned out to be a massive anomaly, and following those initial gold and soil discoveries, we increased our land package there right down to the Yukon River, which is right across from the new Comstock discovery.
Well, let's talk about Taku Gold Corp. Let's talk about 2013. Now, I understand, you talked about a lot of companies drilling, but Taku is also drilling. Can we talk about the financial situation, though, before we get into the drilling, and maybe let the viewers know where you stand financially at this point?
Yeah, by all means. Taku, of course, trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol TAK. We've got 70 million shares outstanding. We currently trading at around 4 cents on the 4 or 5 cents on the Venture Exchange, and we have 1.3 million cash in the treasury. So we do have a fully financed drill program for 2013. We're planning to focus on this new zone of mineralization at Hud Bay zone on the Rose Butte property, and starting in early June, we expect to begin the season with about a 2,000 meter drill program to test what we have there initially, and based on subsequent positive results, we'd like to go in towards the end of the season and do additional drilling on that project.
Right. Well, a lot of viewers are probably aware that the venture market has been virtually decimated here. So just to be able to say that you're going to be drilling, the fact that you've got $1.3 million left in hard dollars in the treasury, that's got to bode well for Taku. Now, you've been at the PDAC since Sunday when we started. Can we get an idea of what kind of reception we're getting here in the booth?
Well, actually, it's been very positive, Dave, and I think overall, we've had a lot of people, a lot of positive investor sentiment here, and very positive reaction to the fact that we will be going out there and continuing to develop our project in the Yukon. We have no plans of slowing down, and we hope to make that initial drill discovery this year following the Rose Butte Hud Bay drill program.
That is amazing. So again, great news from Taku Gold Corp. They're located in the White Gold District in the Yukon, trading on the TSX under the symbol TAK, and on the OTC in the United States as well under the symbol TAKUF. For InvestorToday.ca, I'm Dave Glover. I also want to direct the viewers, if I can, to a brand new mining search. It's called Mining Search, and this is a search specifically for investors that are looking to get into the venture exchange. I want to thank Zach Dingsdale for being with us and wish you continued success with Taku Gold Corp in the White Gold District.
Thanks again, Dave.
We'll see you next time, viewers.